Good morning, class. Good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to my class. And today we are going to begin with a new chapter, or we are going to learn a new chapter. That is chapter number 11 from English Marigold. And the name of the chapter is Class Discussion. Okay, the name of the chapter is Class Discussion. Here, I hope you know what do you mean by class. Class means a class only where lots of students come gather together and sit in one place and learn something. That particular place is called class. एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे बच्चे आकर के कुछ सीखते हैं, that is called class. What do you mean by discussion? Discussion means चर्चा करना. Okay, to discuss on a particular topic, to give our views on a particular topic, or we talk on a particular topic, that is called discussion. So class discussion is the name of your chapter, and it is a poem. What it is? It's a poem. ये क्या है? It's a poem. It's a poem. Class discussion is a poem, and it is written by the poet Jervis Finn. I hope you can see. Class discussion, it is a poem, and it is written by the poet Jervis Finn. So the first question arises here that who is the poet of the poem Class Discussion? The answer is Jervis Finn is the poet of the poem Class Discussion. First of all, let me read out the chapter. Students, ready? Be ready. Look at page number 95. If you have the book with you, students, it's a request from my side to open page number 95 if you have the book. Now look at the book. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. Okay, this is the poem which I have read just now. Now we will look over to the explanation of this poem. What the poem is saying, what the poet wants to convey a message to us. कवि हमसे क्या कहना चाह रहा है, वो कौन सा मैसेज इस कविता के द्वारा हमें कौन सा मैसेज देना चाह रहा है. We will try to read again. Let me read the poem again. Look at the poem again. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was very clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. Now let us come to the word meaning, some of the word meanings. Let us see the meaning first, some hard words. Then only we will be able to understand about the poem. Okay, students, let us see. What do you mean by discussion? Discussion means talking together in a group on a single topic. What do you mean by discussion? Look here. Discussion means to talk, okay, talking together in a group, talking together in a group on a single topic, on one topic. Yes, this is called discussion. Discussion means talking together, sitting together and talking on a particular topic, on a single topic, that is called discussion. Now let us there are some more word. Aired. What do you mean by aired? EIRED. Aired means to public, to tell everyone. Aired का मतलब होगा to public. Public means to tell everyone, not to hide. किसी से छिपाना नहीं, सबसे बताना. अपनी सार्वजनिक करना, सबको बताना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एयर्ड. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी barely. What do you mean by barely? Barely, it means hardly. Barely, it means hardly, मुश्किल से. Jane, you barely spoke something. आप hardly कुछ कहते हो, नहीं तो बिल्कुल नहीं बोलते हो. Okay, now let us see next. What do you mean by stared? S-T-E-R-E, stare. Stare means to look fixedly, to look fixedly. घूरना, ध्यान से चारों तरफ देखना, कुछ ना बोलना, that is called staring, means to घूरना. Okay, fine. And some more meanings are here. What do you mean by plain? Plain means clear. Plain means clear. Plain, the other words in English, plain means clear. Okay, look carefully, listen carefully what I explain. अगर एग्जाम में आता भी है तो जो बोर्ड पे लिखा है मैंने, whatever I have written on the board, definitely I am going to ask the question from the board. You will search the answer and question from here, from book, nothing. But try to listen to the lecture of in my class. Try to listen me what I'm saying. Anytime if you are facing any problem, raise your hand. Raise your hand. I'll talk to you. Okay. But if you don't have any problem, listen carefully what I'm saying. First, we are discussing chapter number 11, English Marigold, class discussion. We read the poem class discussion. Now let us see what are the meaning. Class, I hope you know, where lot of children come and sit together and learn something. ऐसी जगह जहाँ ढेर सारे बच्चे एक साथ आकर एक कक्ष में बैठते हैं, कक्षा. That is called class. Yes, clear? Now let us see what do you mean by discussion. You have the meaning I have told you. Now look here, some more meanings are here. Discussion, talking together in a group on a single topic. Aired means सबको बताना, to be to public. Barely means hardly. Stare, to look fixedly. Fine. Now let us see what do you mean by plain. Plain means clear. First, the teacher here. Okay, we will discuss about the poem. First, let us see the meaning. कुछ meaning है इसमें, वो clear हो जाएगा तो the poem will be clear. Okay, now let us see what do you mean by opinion. Okay, our students has asked me what is opinion. Vichar, thoughts. Thoughts. Opinion means thoughts. Okay, fine. What do you mean by silence? Silence, to be quiet. To be quiet. Now let us see some more. Surrounded. Enclosed from all sides. Enclosed from all sides. चारों तरफ से घिरा हुआ. Surrounded. Chatter. Look here, student. What do you mean by chatter? Chatter means to talk. Chatter means to talk. And one more. Let us see. What do you mean by hardly? Can I write here? Okay, let me write here. Hardly. Hardly means difficultly. Yes, with difficulty or difficulty. Fine. Difficultly or with difficultly. Fine. Now let us see. These are the meanings once again, students. Students of my class, look at the board. We are on chapter number 11. We are studying, we are learning a poem that is called Class Discussion. The name of the poem is Class Discussion and it is written by the poet Jervis Finn. Okay, now we have read the poem. Let me repeat the poem once again. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all heard our opinion, but from you, we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. This was the response from Jane. Now, let me come to the explanation. Okay, before the explanation, once again, go through the difficult words. These are the hard words, the difficult words in the poem. Look here again, discussion, talking together on a single topic. Aired means to make public, to tell everyone. barely means hardly, मुश्किल से तुम कुछ बोलती हो, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं बोलती हो जैन. You always sit in silence. Now steer means to look fixedly, to look someone, gurna, fine. Hardly, what do you mean by hardly? Hardly means with difficulty, with difficulty. What do you mean by plain? Plain means clear. Tell me clearly, what is the matter, Jen? Why you are quiet in the class? Fine. What do you mean by opinion? Opinion means thought, vichar. Share your opinions. We all shared our opinion in the class. On a, while discussing in a class, if we discuss about a cow, let us see. अगर cow के बारे में अगर हम class में बात करते हैं, then every student used to share their opinions. They say, sir, cow is black in color. Someone will share his opinion that cow is both black and white in color. Yes. So this is called what? Opinion. अपने विचारों को स्पष्ट करके बताना. Next, silence. Silence means to be quiet. चुप शांत रहना. Surrounded. What do you mean by surrounded? Surrounded का मतलब होता है चारों तरफ से closed and closed from all sides. Okay, next. What do you mean by chatter? Chatter means to talk. Okay. So students, I hope after reading the poem and going through these hard words, I think most of the line is clear. Now most of the sentences are clear to you. Am I right? Am I right, students? After reading the just after reading only the poems, हमने केवल poem पढ़ा है. We have read the poem and the what difficult words. We came to know कुछ कुछ समझ में आ रहा है that in this poem there is a girl and his name is Jane. In this poem class discussion, there is one girl whose name is Jane. What was his name? Jane. In this poem, there is a girl. There is a girl. We are discussing about girl. There is a girl whose name is Jane. Students of my class, look carefully. The poem is about a little girl who does not speak much. This poem class discussion is about a little girl and his name is Jane and who does not want to speak much. And he it is set in the class. She is in the class. She sat in the class and surrounded by many other students and class discussion is going on. Okay, class discussion is going on in the class. There is one girl. This poem is about a little girl whose name is Jan and she is sitting in the class. She is surrounded by so many students. Yes, and she is sitting silently. Okay, and what is going on in the class? Class में क्या चल रहा है? Class discussion is going on in the class. Means discussion, बातें हो रही है क्लास में. Discussion is going on in the class, and the child, the girl called Jane, she is sitting in the class. She is surrounded by so many students. Now let us see. During the discussion, the student and teachers are engaged. The student and teachers during class discussion or discussion on a topic in a class, all the students and teachers, they are engaged in discussing about some particular topic in the class and they are having conversation. Their cross questioning is going on. The teacher is asking a question to the student. The students is responding to the teacher. Again, the some students, they are raising question to the teachers. Okay, this all thing is going on in the class, and there is one girl called Jen, and she is sitting quietly. Now let us see again. All the students are busy in their work. All the students are busy with their discussion on that topic. Whatever topic is going on in the class, it's not clear. The poet has not written that what topic is going on. किस topic की बात हो रही इस class discussion में, ये clear कवि ने नहीं बताया है इस poem में. So remember, अगर question आता है, if there is a question, what topic the class discussion is going on, it is not mentioned in the poem. It is not mentioned in the poem. Okay, so all the students, they are busy talking and having a conversation with the teachers. Cross questioning is going on. Listen carefully. Now there is a girl called Jane who is quiet. Suddenly the teacher saw that child, that girl. She is sitting quietly. She is not taking anything. अचानक टीचर का ध्यान उस बच्चे पे गया and she is not participating in the class discussion. Yes, if there is class discussion, then every student should participate. But the teacher realized that the girl sitting in the class Her name was Jen. She is not participating in the discussion. She is sitting quietly and she is staring. What do you mean by staring? Staring means to look fixedly. सबको घूर के देख रही है. She is staring. She is not speaking anything. She is not joining the discussion. Okay, she is not speaking even a single word. On seeing her mood, the teacher asked, on seeing the mood of the child, Jane is not speaking. Now the teacher is asking, Jane, tell me, what is the matter? Just be plain, clearly tell me, tell your opinion that what is the matter? Is there anything, any problem? Jane, do you have any problem? क्या कोई problem है? You are sitting very silently in the class. You are not joining the conversation class or you are not joining the discussion class on the topic which we are discussing. The teacher is asking a question to the child. Jane से पूछ रहे हैं teacher कि Jane, please be plain. Tell me the fact. What is the matter? Is there anything is there anything the matter? क्या कोई problem है? Is there any problem? Tell me. I am your teacher. You can share your opinion with me. If you have any problem, then the teacher is going to help her. The teacher is asking the child, Jane, do you have any problem? If you have any problem, ask me or tell me. I'm going to help you out. I'm going to sort out your problem. Okay. So now what happened? To this, after listening to her teacher, to his teacher, Jen spoke in a low tone, silently. What is the written here? It's yes. Her voice was clear. Yes, it's not a matter that there was a problem. कोई problem नहीं थी. Her voice was very clear while she was speaking. The teacher could hear, and after listening to the teacher, she spoke in a low voice, and her voice was very clear, and she gave a simple reply. A simple reply. She says that the world is full of all types of people. The world is full of all types of people. But there are some people who do not prefer to speak much. Yes. Who does not want to speak much. Jane said to his teacher, the little girl said to the teacher, Sir, there are lots of people, there are many types of people in this world. Yes, but there are some people who doesn't want to speak anything. They don't want to speak unnecessarily, or they don't want to speak much, or they don't want to talk much. They are quiet by nature. They are quiet by nature. वो उनका स्वभाव ही शांत रहना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बात नहीं कर सकते on that topic, but they prefer to sit quietly and listen to others. Jen said, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि वो क्लास में शांति से बैठ के लोगों को सुनते हैं. Yes, so I think the same habit you should practice, students. If I unmute you, you will start buzzing like a bee. Yes, you will start buzzing like a bee. It will be very hard for a teacher standing here on online classes and to respond. Whose question should that teacher respond? So try to listen first. सुनने की आदत डालो. Try to keep a practice. Make a practice that you should listen to others first. Here, that child, Jane, it is not that she doesn't have mind or she doesn't know about that topic. Class में अगर कोई topic चल रहा है, definitely if everyone is speaking, then कुछ ना कुछ तो लड़की के दिमाग में आ रहा होगा ना कि हाँ मुझे भी बोलना चाहिए. But she said to his teacher that there are many people in the world, or there are many types of people in the world, and there are some people also who doesn't want to talk much. They want to sit silently and listen to others. Means they are quiet by nature. Here, Jan has given the message or given a response, the reply to the teacher. This is the poem. Students, I hope you have understand. Once again, let me read out the poem for you. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinions, but from you, we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jane looked up and then she spoke. Jen looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. Yes, sir. Sir, you know there are many people in this world that don't want to speak and they are quiet by nature. That's what Jen told to his teacher. I hope you understand the story, students. Oh, sorry, the poem. Once again, let us come back to the class. Look over here. What is going on in the class? Class discussion is going on in the class. Okay, what do you mean by discussion? Discussion means talking together on a single, in a group on a single topic. What do you mean by eared? Eared means to make public, to tell everyone. We all eared our opinions, means we all share our opinions. हम अपने opinions को सबको बताते हैं. Yes, now let us see. What do you mean by barely? Barely means hardly. But Jen, from your side, we barely heard, we hardly heard something. You never shared your opinion. Now next, you simply sit in the class and stare everyone. Stare means to look everyone. Fine. Now look here. Jen, now please be plain and tell me what is the matter. What do you mean by plain? Plain means clear. Tell me clearly what is the matter. The teacher is asking that is there anything the problem? Jane, if you have any problem, you can share with me. Next, what do you mean by opinion? Jane tried everyone what to say, everyone is sharing their opinions. सब अपने विचारों को share कर रहे हैं. Likewise, Jen, you should also share your opinion. Now, what do you mean by silence? You always keep in silence, sit in silence. You never share your opinions. Means to be quiet. Now, what do you mean by surrounded? Surrounded means enclosed from all sides. चारों तरफ से घिरा हुआ. Means that girl Jen is sitting in the class and surrounded by lots of the students. The girl, that particular girl, is surrounded by the students. Okay. So, and what do you mean by chatter? Chatter means from all sides. Conversation is going on, talking to बातें चल रही हैं. Okay, chatter. Fine. This is the word meaning. Some hard words which I have written in the board. Now there are so many questions to be asked from you. So I'll ask you later on, but not today. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding the poem, who is the poet? It is clear Jarvis Finn is the poet of the poem. And once again, let us recap. Dobara in small, briefly, let me tell you. Class Discussion is a poem written by Jarvis Finn. And here the poet is conveying a message that there are many people in the world. All types of people are there. And there are some people who rather are quiet by nature, who are quiet by nature. They don't want to talk much. They want to sit and listen to others properly. Yes. So here the poet wants to convey a message to students, to you. आपको ये message convey किया जा रहा है कि try to sit in the class and try to listen to your teachers' lectures properly instead of shouting and disturbing the class. Practice, have a practice like Jen, behave like Jen की तरह behave करिए. Her voice was clear. She was able to speak. Yes, Jen was able to speak, but she did not join the discussion class. Yes, what discussion was going on, she didn't join. She didn't heard her opinion. So, Class Discussion is a poem written by Jarvis Finn, and in this poem there is a girl. Her name is Jen. While class discussion was going on in the class, every student was participating in the class discussion on a single topic. They were discussing. Teacher and students, they were busy having a conversation among each other. They were talking to each other and they were discussing to each other on a single topic. At that meantime, the teachers saw a girl who was sitting in the class, sitting quietly in silence. She was not talking, she was not taking anything. Then the teacher asks, Jen, please be plain and tell me what is the matter, why you are sitting quietly in the class. You are not sharing your opinions. Every student, they are telling their views, their opinions. But Jen, you are sitting in the class in silence and you are surrounded by the chatter. Means everyone surrounded by you, they are talking, but you are sitting quietly. And I never heard anything from you. Why you barely what to say, you barely speak anything. You hardly speak anything. You never shared your opinion. What is the matter, Jen? Tell me, I am your teacher and I'm going to sort out the problem. If you have any problem, then Jen, what she did? She looked up to her teacher, to his yes, to her teacher, to her teacher. She looked to to his teacher, and what she said? She spoke in a low tone, and her voice was very clear. She said, "Sir, there are all types of people, many types of people in the world. Yeah, there are many types of people in the world, but there are some people also who rather they are quiet by nature. They don't want to speak much. कुछ ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं जो ज्यादा बोलना पसंद नहीं करते। उनका स्वभाव ही शांत रहना होता है। Yes. So this is the poem. Thank you very much, class. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me.